Insurance customer experience is in rough shape, especially within contact centers dealing with calls about new policies, payments, and other issues. At the same time, call volumes are still rising, and as a result of ongoing staffing shortages, agent and support roles are severely understaffed, leaving customers with long wait times and frustration. For insurance companies, using chatbots to automate customer conversations at scale is necessary. It can be useful for both new and existing customers because it can be set up to onboard new customers, gather documentation, renew policies, schedule meetings, manage insurance requests, cross-selling or upselling to existing customers. You can then relieve your agents from repetitive tasks such as basic claims, form navigation, and FAQs. As a result, your agents will have more time to handle complex cases that will allow your contact center to offload them and increase their productivity while reducing expenses for your company. Get an inside scoop on how we can improve your customer experience. Request a callback using the link in the description.